Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Did you do the homework, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we discuss the homework answers now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon to all of you. How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. I'm fine, children. See, dear children, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me take the board. Okay. Is it the first homework was 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7? First
Yes, ma'am.
homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, first one is first one is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Is it the LCM 21, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 by 3 into what? Into 7 you will get 6 by 21. 1 by 7 into 3 you will get 3 by 21. So when you add 6 by 21 plus 3 by 21, you will get 9 by 21. Is it the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second question. Is it 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15?
Yes, ma'am. 3 by 10 plus 7 by.
Is the LCM 30?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the LCM, children?
30.
30.
30.
So LCM is 30. So you take 3 by 10 and how to make 30 into 3 it is 9 by 30. And 7 by 15, how to make it 30 is into 2 14 by 30.
No,
Hmm?
ma'am. No,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
2 into 7 is 17. Is 17. Ma'am, the first question. 40.
Huh?
2 into 7. Ma'am, the first question, 2 into 7 is 14.
Is it 7 by 15?
The first question 2 into 7 is 4.
40. And the answer is 17 by 21, not 9 by 21. Ma'am, the answer is 17 by 21, first question.
First question.
Ma'am, first question. Yes, ma'am.
Here. Okay. 14. Here no.
Yes,
So it
ma'am.
is 14 by 21. So it is 17 by 21.
21. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what about the second one? Second one, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So answer is 9 by 13, 30 plus 14 by 30, and our answer is 23 by 30. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is our next question?
4 by 9 plus 2 by 7.
4 by
9.
Plus 2 by 7. Is it LCM 63?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 63 also.
63.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for those who made any mistake, you can correct it now. 9 into 7, 4 into 7, so 28 by 63. 2 by 7, how to make 63 is into 9, so 18 by 63. So 28 by 63 plus 18 by 63, you will get a 46 by 63.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now we will do the fourth one. Will you tell the fourth question?
Yes, ma'am. 5 by 7 plus 1 by 3.
5 by 7 plus 1 by 3. LCM is 21.
Yes, ma'am.
So 5 by 7 into 3 into 3, 15 by 21. 1 by 3 into 7 into 7, 7 by 21. So 15 by 21 plus 7 by 21, and our answer is 22 by 21. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
22 by 21.
Fifth question.
Then fifth question. Will you tell the fifth question?
Yes, ma'am. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6.
Plus 1 by 6.
Fifth one is 2 by
2 by
5 by
5
plus 1 by 6.
1 by 6. Our LCM is 30.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 by 5 into 6 into 6, 12 by 30. 1 by 6 into 5 into 5, 5 by 30. So 12 by 30 plus 5 by 30, our answer is 17 by 30.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And the sixth question?
4 by 5 plus 2 by 3.
5 plus 2 by 3.
4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. LCM is 15.
Yes, ma'am.
So 4 by 5 into 3 into 3, 12 by 15. 2 by 3 into 5 into 5, 10 by 15. 12 by 15 plus 10 by 15 equal to 22 by 15. Okay, so our homework got over.
Ma'am, fourth question, what's the answer?
Fourth question, 22 by 21, right?
Yes, ma'am.
22 by 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'll give one special question for you. It's question number 1, today's first question. First question. 1 and 1 by 3 plus 3 and 2 by 3. What are these fractions? What type of fraction is this, children?
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction we cannot add. What we'll do is we'll make it improper fraction.
Doing proper fraction.
We'll make it into. So whenever you see one mixed fraction, you make it as improper. So 1 and 1 by 3. What is the answer? How will you find?
First, we will have to multiply
Multiply 1 into 3.
1 into 3. And we have to
Add 1.
with the numerator.
Yes, 1. Like this.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
into 3. Okay. So 3 plus 1 by 3 equal to 4 by 3. Same way, 3 and 2 by 3, you will do like this. 3
into 3 plus 2.
plus 2 all divided by 3. That is 9 plus 2
Plus
by
2.
3. 11 by 3.
11 by 3.
And so we'll add this. Look at the denominators, children. Is there any speciality denominators?
Ma'am, they are same.
Same.
No need to
So
convert.
15, no need of converting. But do you know what is 15 by 3? What is 15 by 3?
Ma'am,
15 divided 11 plus 4 is 15, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is 15 by 3? 15 divided by 3. Which number is that?
5.
Okay. So it is 5. So we simplified it. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Yes.
Ma'am, 10.
Yes, right. Should we write 10 now? What do you ask? You want to write? Yes, right.
Ma'am, what is the heading?
Heading nothing. Simply addition. Yesterday's continuation.
I'm finished. Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am.
yes. Yes.
Ma'am, like there is if the denominator of the proper fraction in mixed fraction, if the denominators are same, we can just add it, right?
Yes. If the denominators are different, what to do?
We have to convert.
LCM. So this is our second question. Second question is 4 and 2 by 3 plus 3 and 1 by 4. So Smriti, your doubt will be cleared now. Isn't it? Your
Yes.
doubt will clear now. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, children? Are you all doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Francis Richard, what is the DP? Why you are showing your DP? Turn on your camera. Okay, children, 4 and 2 by 3 is 4 into 3 plus 2 by 3 equal to 12 plus 2 by 3 equal to 14 by 3. Did you get 14 by 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is 3 and 1 by 4. 3 into 4 plus 1 by 4. So 12 plus 1 by 4 equal to 13 by 4. Now, but as Smriti told, it is different fractions, unlike fractions. So that case, what will you do?
Ma'am, we have to find
Find the LCM. So 14 by 3, look at the denominators. 13 by 4, denominators are different. So you cannot add this. Okay, you cannot add. You have to find the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 4 is
12.
12.
12.
Find the LCM. Okay, 3 and 4.
Because there are no common.
Number common factors. Okay, fine. So if you want to do it, you do like this. If you are sure that there is no common factors, you can multiply. Then 14 by 3 and 12 into 4 into 4. Is it 56?
Yes, ma'am. 56.
So 13 by 4 into 3 into 3, 39 by 12. So 56 by 12 plus 39 by 12. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
95 by 12 is the answer. 95 by 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
95 12. Okay.
Ma'am, actually, should we convert
Yes,
the
yes. Wait, Smriti. Let me explain. See, children, the question answer is 95 by 12. Clear? But since our question is in the mixed fraction, whatever be the answer, if it is improper, you should convert it into mixed. Okay. Check whether these are improper fraction 95 by 12.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
improper?
Yes,
So you should convert and find the answer. 95 by 12. Okay, 95 by 12. 95 into 12 into what is 95? 12 into something. 12 into what? Is it 12 into 6? Just check. 12 into 6. Find out, children.
No, ma'am, it's not 12 in this.
Then what is 12 into 6, children? Is it 12 into 7?
Ma'am, 12 into 7 is 84.
Yeah, 84. Okay. So 12 into 7, 80. So now remaining one is 11. Okay. Okay, children. So how can you write this as mixed fraction? 7 and
11 by 12?
11 by 12.
11 by.
This is our answer.
I'm finished.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Yes.
I'm finished.
Okay, children. Now, shall we start with the subtraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Same process, but do the subtraction instead of addition, only that. Yes. So, subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fractions. First one, I will give one normal one like fraction. What is the answer?
Ma'am,
9 by 7.
9 by 5.
9 by 5. Okay. No problem with this. But if the question comes like this, 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2, will you do it? 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. Wait. Emily, you have any sister in smaller classes?
Yes, ma'am.
What is her name?
Fia Lijo.
Fialija. Which class?
Ma'am, 5B.
Okay. Nothing. Just I saw your Lijo something, so I thought it is your sister. Okay. Okay, children, what is the LCM here? You have to find the LCM. Okay. LCM is 6.
6.
So 4 by
4
3,
by
make it 6 into 2
3
into
into
2, 8 by 6.
8 by 6.
Okay. So 1 by 2 into 6 into 3 into
Into
3, 3 by
3
6.
by 6.
Okay. And last you have to subtract it. 8 by 6 minus 3 by 6.
Answer is 5 by 6.
8 minus 3 all divided by 6. That is 5 by
By
6.
6.
Okay. I'll give 2 more questions for you. Third one. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3 is one question. And fourth question is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let the others also do. Okay, children. Shall I explain now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first one is 5 by 6 and 1 by 3. What is the LCM, children?
12. No.
No, no. 6. 6 is the LCM. So take 1 by 1, 5 by 6. How to make 6?
Ma'am, we no
No
need to
need,
convert.
no need of converting. It is 5 by 6 itself. And 1 by 3 you can convert into 2. Into 2 it is 2 by
2 by
6.
6
So 5 by 6 minus 2
2
by
by
6
6.
equal to
Answer is 3 by
3
6.
by 6. Shall we convert this into simplest form? Divide by 3. Which is the common number? 3 is the common
3
number.
is the common number.
Shall we divide?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 by 2 is the answer.
1 by 2.
Okay. Then next question. Fourth one. 3 by 4. LCM is
LCM is 12.
12. So 3 by 4 into 3 into 3. 9 by 12. 1 by 3 into 4 into 4. 4 by 12. 9 by 12 minus 4.
4 by 12. 5 by 12.
Okay. So this is our answer. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next one, I'll give some word problems. Okay, I hope you all got it. Savio is still writing, precise writing.
No, ma'am, I was not writing. I was just looking.
Savio, Geediga, Malaviga, Ananda Krishnan. Okay, we'll go now, move to some word problems. Okay. Okay, children. So, whose name shall I give? Okay. I'll give one name. Okay. First question. So, it is word problems. Okay. Word problems. Okay, children.
Okay,
Word
ma'am.
problems. And first one is, I'll give Sian's name. Okay. Sian. Sian bought. Sian bought 2 by 5 meter. So if your name is given to the question, you will study this properly, right? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sian bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon. And who is the next person? Whose name shall I give? Whose name? Shall I give Namasya? Namasya, I don't know whether she's... Okay. Namasya. 3 by 5 meter. 3 by 5 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon? What is the total length of the ribbon? Ribbon they bought. Will you do it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
do we need the steps?
No need. Total length of the ribbon, enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Total length of the ribbon. Did you understand, children, how to do? What do
Yes,
you mean
ma'am.
by total? Which operation
Ma'am,
is it?
add.
Plus or minus? Yes. Adding. Okay. So total length of the ribbon equal to Okay, children, if you get the answer, you tell me.
Ma'am, I got
I will
the
explain. Yes, yes. Only one student? Only one student got the answer? Yes, yes, yes. Many. Okay, okay. Namaste and Sian got. Eh? Namaste and Sian, did you get?
I'm doing, ma'am.
Where is Namaste? Yes, yes. Okay. Shall I explain now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
These are not same, unlike
So we have to
fractions.
find
Find
the
the LCM. So
LCM is
LCM
20.
of LCM is 20.
20.
20.
So 2 by 5
5
into
4
4
into 4. 8 by
into
20.
4, 8 by 20.
3 by 4 into 5
3 by 4 into 5
into
into
5.
5. You will get
15 by
15
20.
by 20. And when you
8 by
add
20
this, 8 by 20
plus 15 by 20.
15 by 20, and children,
23
you will get 23 by
23 by
20.
20.
See children, if it is mixed improper fraction, you can convert. If it is like this, also no problem. But if possible, you convert it. Okay. Since it is improper fraction, 20, 1, 20, and 3. So 1 and
3 by 20.
1 and 3 by
3 by
20
20.
meters. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you got the answers, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
And let me move to the next question. Second one. Now whose name?
Ma'am,
Who is that? Okay, Ashish. Okay. Ashish and Ayan. Okay. Ashish. Ashish was given 1.5. 1.5. You know what it is, Ashish? 1.5 piece of cake. Okay, Ashish, happy?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ayan. Ayan was given 1 and 1 by 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake. Total amount of cake was given to both of them. Okay.
Total number of
Total amount of cake. See children, we have one more period now. By the time will you do it and come?
Ma'am, can you show the
Yes,
question again?
Yes children. So let me wind up the class. Okay.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let me wind up the class, children. Okay. So come to the board 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Board 7, there is some problem was there. Okay. So problems will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Some audio problems. Okay. So do it and come. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.